Password managers have become a necessity in a world where nearly every website and app demands an account. And yet, despite all the warnings, a lot of people still rely on weak passwords or reuse the same one across multiple platforms. If you've ever been guilty of using 123456 or password, it's time to upgrade. And that's where Proton Pass comes in. Proton Pass is a password manager developed by the same company behind Proton Mail and Proton VPN, both services which are well known for their strong commitment to privacy and security. The idea behind Proton Pass is pretty simple: provide a secure, encrypted way to store and autofill passwords while making sure that no one, not even Proton itself, can access your data. And that's a bold claim in an industry where many password managers have suffered security breaches or have questionable data collection practices. But does Proton Pass live up to the hype? And more importantly, is it actually worth using over competitors like Bitwarden, 1Password, or NordPass? Well, before we dive into all of that, I want to let you guys know that we have the best possible discount in the description below for Proton Pass. So if at any point throughout or afterwards you want to try it out, well, look no further than the description to get the best possible deal. Now, one of Proton Pass's standout features is its encryption. Everything you store, passwords, notes, email addresses, and even which websites you save credentials for, is encrypted end to end. This means that even if Proton was somehow forced to hand over its data, it would be unreadable without your encryption key. Most password managers encrypt passwords but leave some metadata exposed, so this level of security is a significant advantage for those who value privacy. Proton also includes a built-in password generator, making it easy to create strong, complex passwords that are difficult to crack. It can autofill login credentials seamlessly across different websites and apps, saving you the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. Beyond that, it supports secure notes, allowing you to store sensitive info beyond just passwords, such as software keys, Wi-Fi passwords, or personal notes. They also allow you to organize your credentials into multiple vaults, which can be helpful if you want to keep personal and work passwords separate. Secure password sharing is another useful feature, making it easy to share credentials with friends or family members without compromising security. Unlike simply texting someone a password, Proton Pass lets you grant access securely while maintaining control over who sees what. Now, a password manager can be as secure as Fort Knox, but if it's frustrating to use, it won't matter. Thankfully, Proton delivers a clean and simple interface that makes setup and daily use smooth and intuitive. Installing the browser extension on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whatever you use is straightforward, and it integrates well with websites, offering autofill suggestions exactly when you need them. The mobile app for iOS and Android are just as user-friendly, providing a seamless experience across all devices. One area where Proton Pass could improve, though, is its import functionality. If you're migrating from another password manager, such as Bitwarden or LastPass, you might need to do some manual cleanup. While the process works, it's not as effortless as some other options. Aside from that, navigating the app and managing your credentials feels natural and responsive, making it a solid choice. Furthermore, Proton Pass offers both a free plan and paid plans, making it really accessible to a wide range of people. What's surprising is how generous the free plan is. Unlike many password managers that limit free users to a small number of saved passwords or a single device, Proton Pass allows unlimited password storage and syncing across multiple devices, all while maintaining the same level of encryption as the paid version. The Proton Pass Plus costs $3 per month, and it adds features such as multiple vaults, secure password sharing, and the ability to store two-factor authentication codes. While these additions are useful, they might not be essential for everyone. The free plan is strong enough that many people may never feel the need to upgrade, which is rare in the password manager space. Now, security is the main reason people turn to Proton Pass, and in this department, it excels. Because it uses end-to-end encryption, even Proton itself cannot access your saved credentials. This level of security is what every password manager should aim for, but not all of them do. Proton is also based in Switzerland, a country known for its strong privacy laws. Unlike services based in the US, which are subject to surveillance requests under laws like the Patriot Act, Proton operates under Swiss jurisdiction, adding an extra layer of legal protection for users. And it has no history of security breaches, and the company ethos is built on privacy-first services, so Proton Pass is one of the safest options available. So Proton Pass has a lot going for it. Its strong encryption, zero-knowledge architecture, and open source transparency make it one of the most private password managers available. The free plan is generous, offering unlimited password storage and multi-device sync, something that many don't provide without a subscription. The interface is clean, the autofill function works well, and the ability to securely share passwords with others is a great addition. However, there are some downsides. Proton lacks some of the advanced features that competitors like 1Password and Bitwarden offer, such as emergency access or deep team collaboration tools. Additionally, importing passwords from other managers could be smoother. If privacy and security matter most to you, then Proton Pass is a solid pick. With end-to-end encryption, Swiss privacy laws, and an open source approach, it keeps your credentials locked down. The free plan is surprisingly generous, making it a great option if you don't want to pay for a password manager. That said, if you're after fancy extras like emergency access or team sharing, Bitwarden or 1Password might be a better fit. But if you're already using Proton Mail or Proton VPN, sticking with Proton Pass just makes sense. And that just about wraps up the video today, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and don't forget about those deals and discounts in the description below. At any rate though, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, make sure to take care.